Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install the MSIX Packaging tool driver on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start button and select Settings. Select Apps on the left side, and then on the right side you want to go ahead and select Optional Features. Select the Add an Optional Feature up at the top and select View Features. Go ahead and type in MSIX. Best match should come back with MSIX Packaging Tool Driver. Go ahead and check mark inside of there and select Next. Select Install. And once that's done, you should be able to just close out of here. And I would recommend restarting your computer, and then hopefully that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.